What's going on, y'all? It's Cam. I'm back doing something a little different. I really haven't been building a lot of Legos as of late because I've been busy. So I kind of a little bit have a Lego backlog, and I'm about to show y'all that now. Give me one moment. As you can see, it's not a big backlog, but take time to build all this stuff. Got this 911 Porsche, the James Bond Aston Martin, the Iron Man Mark III model, the Daily Bugle, and the typewriter. So I don't know when I'm going to build this. I don't know if it's going to be anytime soon, sooner than later, next month, 2 months from now, but just have to wait to find out. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be some more Legos on the way too. So bear with me. But thanks for listening and seeing my Lego backlog. I'm holler at y'all.